afternoon. Oh, it's really dark and it's only, what's the time? 1:45. Look at it, really dark. I don't know if it's showing as dark there, but it's dark. But first, coffee. Yay! I got it right. Woohoo! Oh yes. It's very damp, soggy even, because I think we've had a lot of rain this morning. Oh my god. Who closes this? Oh, me, yeah. Is it the suction? There's something, I don't know. Ooh. Coffee. And then we have lots of wood chip and lots of manure. Ooh, honestly. If you, because some of you said you don't get free wood chip and manure, you just need to contact your local tree surgeons and ask really nicely. Ask around the allotment. Someone might even know someone. I don't know. I know our arrangement was by chance. They bumped into them, or someone knew someone, and they just had a chat, and then it was like, you know. And so the people that drop off the wood chip and the manure, the individuals, they know the code to the allotment, so that you can get in easily and get out. Oh, cheers everybody. I've had my first mince pie from at work. Oh, delicious. Oh, really lovely. This is nice. Right. I am going to get, I'm not doing the hedgehog thing yet because I need to collate all the information. I didn't get a chance last night, which is what I wanted to do. So, this is nice coffee. I needed this. We're going to, I'm taking my mic, mustn't forget mic. Yeah, very soggy. Well, my hedgehog ladder is still in place, which is absolutely fantastic. I'm really happy with my beach area, and I need to pick up the pond liner ASAP and start, well, just, you know, because if there's a lot of rain, I can use the rain that's in the water butt, and then obviously as it fills with new rainfall, empty it into the pond. So this is the corner that we have been working on, the plum tree corner, as I might call it. I just want to cover the last part with cardboard and wood chip, because that's just going to be wood chip there, because the plum tree's there. I won't grow anything. The plum tree will be it's the fruit corner, if you like. So I'm going to need to get the wheelbarrow, go and get a wheelbarrow's worth of wood chip, put the cardboard down and just offload the wood chip onto that. And I might nick a bit of cardboard, manure, just to go around the base of the plum tree as a feed for over winter. Just a shovel's worth or something. Well, the cardboard, you see, will act like a weed deterrent anyway. Yeah. Right, let's get some gloves on and I'll be back. I'll see you with a full wheelbarrow of wood chip. See you in a bit. Right, wheelbarrow of wood chip. I might need to get another wheelbarrow, I'm not sure yet. You always think you've got enough, but you never do. So I will go and get another one. Oh, what the heck. Oh, I need to get secateurs. I think this is, what is it when it sprouts? Suckers. I'll be back, I've got to get scissors, secateurs. Right, secateurs, I've got, let's just cut these suckers off. Beautiful. Oh, right. I'm just going to borrow some manure for just a place. Oh. Hopefully that will help give it a feed. Oh, there's all these. Where are you? Can you see me? I'm just going to get some more cardboard from the shed. Oop, whoopsie. Where's the rake? What do I do with it? Oh yeah. I'm definitely going to need more. One more wheelbarrow. I think that should do it. Yeah. Right. See you in a bit. Let's get this filled up. Oh. Right, second wheelbarrow. Let's get it on. Tip it on. Sorry, tree. My plum tree. Plum tree corner. Hope it does well next year. First year. It's done its first year, so hopefully next year it produces more than one plum. Oh, don't tell me I need another wheelbarrow. No. Oh, let's try and spread this out. Oh, one more wheelbarrow. The clouds are black over there. I wonder if it's going to pour down more. We had torrential rain early morning. Oh, still. Practically finished. I think one more wheelbarrow and then this corner is officially finished. Woo woo! Spread that out like that. That's good. You wouldn't know I borrowed something. Very good. Yeah. Right, I think that's all right. Right, we're going to go back to the shed and then I'm going to have a little walk round to see which corner to decide on. Because I don't know, I haven't decided. See you back in the shed. I've got a wheelbarrow of manure for the next visit, because I think I might tackle that, laying fresh cardboard on top and mimicking the pattern of path, compost, although it would be manure in this case, path, manure, path, manure here on this line, and then also trying to spread the cardboard out, sort of start working on going that way, where the common barberry and the gooseberries are. Cover that grass, start covering that grass with cardboard. Right, let's just go for a quick check on work done so far. I've yet to pick up the pond liner. I don't know when I'm going to do that. It's finding the time. Friday, maybe. Friday. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's one corner finished. Yeah. So I can walk around the plum tree nice and easily. Keep it low. Keep the plum tree low for harvesting. Do you see how much it's dropped? Mad. And what about that one? Yeah, that's dropped as well. Fantastic. So then I'm going to start working on that top corner, but this will be the corner after that, I think. Yeah. Car coming in. Right. I think that's me. Still flowering. Pretty amazing, really. I will start clearing this though. I'll leave that because it's flowering, but I'm going to clear that. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.